The grandkids have been pestering me to build a treehouse for the last couple of years, though I finally put a stop to me stalling and ordered the Tom Playhouse ski chalet. PJ was nearby with his digger and levelled a small area for me. I used 6 pallets to build a solid raised base. Lesson learnt here, get the kit laid horizontally when delivered. Check your diagonals accurately with a tape measure now. If the base isn't perfectly square, the walls won't seat correctly later. Once I got the first corner up, it acted as the anchor for the rest of the structure. I found the base was off square by about 7mm, so a quick trim fixed it nicely. When I first checked the plans, they looked a bit sparse, but like any good flat pack, if you take the time to study them, they provide everything you need. The kit includes all the necessary connectors, screws, plus a few spares. It's really coming together very nicely. Now, there's still loads to do. I have to get a sleeping level in there and steps going up, and then once I've got the roof beam in, I have to then roof it. I thought the roof was going to be the tricky bit, but it actually went up very easily. I initially fitted the one window, but I ended up taking the frames back out to paint them properly, then refitted once dry. I did the same for the door, the shutters and the window boxes. Everything you see here was bought online. Koala Play Cork Island supplied the kit. Easy to deal with, and it arrived within a couple of weeks. The table, chairs and kitchen we got from IKEA. The kettle, toaster and the dinosaur lights are from Amazon, and the bean chairs, which the kids love, are from Outdoor Living. I hope this gives a good feel for how straightforward this build is. Let me know if you have any questions.